If you want to use Circle to Search on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, what you need to do is you need to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen if you use gestures for navigation. And if you use 3 buttons for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the home button instead. This opens this Circle to Search overlay. And in here you can just draw a shape around the thing that you want to use as a reference in Google search. So let's say I'm just gonna open the Google feed. And if I want to know more about, let's say, this vehicle over here, this car, then I can just draw a shape around it, highlight it, there we go. And then I should be able to get the information about the car. As you can see here, we have some AI overview, we have visual matches, and so on and so forth. So we can, of course, use that in order to find more information about the selected area. We can still adjust the area if it was incorrectly selected. We can easily adjust it by grabbing by these corners. Besides that, you can just also tap on an object in order to try to get information about it, just like that. And this also works. Not only that, Circle to Search uses or actually includes a couple of additional features, like for example song search. So if we tap on this music note button over here, our phone starts listening to the background, and if there is like a song being played in the background, maybe you can also just play the song by yourself, you can sing it, you can hum it, and you can get the Google search result with the song title. So then you should be able to get the title, and of course this can be very helpful. And not only that, there is also screen translation. So if we tap on this translation button here on the right side, the language is automatically detected. There is also the target language that we can of course change quite easily. The source language can also be changed in case it is incorrectly selected or detected. And then of course we should be able to see the translation of the screen, which can be very helpful if you visit websites that are not written or available in your language. And in case the Circle to Search cannot be activated on your Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, if you press and hold your finger on the navigation bar or the home button and nothing happens, then of course we can make sure that this option is enabled in settings. So we're gonna go to settings in here, scroll down and go to system. Sorry, not system, my bad. And we need to go to special features actually, there we go. And then here we want to go to gestures and then open navigation mode. And then here we have Circle to Search, so we need to make sure that it is enabled here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.